Hey everyone, welcome back to Talk Fluent, the place where you learn real English in a fun and simple way. Today, I'll teach you 15 common English phrases that native speakers use every day. I'll explain each one in simple words and give you an example. Ready? Let's begin. Phrase 1. What's up? Meaning, how are you? What's going on? Example, hey Sarah, what's up? Phrase 2. Take it easy. Meaning, relax. Don't stress. Example, you did your best in the exam. Now take it easy. Phrase 3. Hang out. Meaning, to spend time with someone. Example, do you want to hang out this weekend? Phrase 4. Break the ice. Meaning, to start a conversation and make people feel comfortable. Example, I told a joke to break the ice at the new job. Phrase 5. I'm in. Meaning, I agree, I want to join. Example, we're going to the beach tomorrow. Cool. I'm in. Phrase 6. Let's call it a day. Meaning, let's stop working for now. Example, we've done enough homework. Let's call it a day. Phrase 7. It's not my cup of tea. Meaning, I don't really like it. Example, horror movies are not my cup of tea. Phrase 8. Under the weather. Meaning, feeling sick or not well. Example, I didn't go to school today. I was feeling under the weather. Phrase 9. Piece of cake. Meaning, very easy. Example, that grammar test was a piece of cake. Phrase 10. Hit the books. Meaning, to start studying. Example, my exam is tomorrow. Time to hit the books. Phrase 11. Kill two birds with one stone. Meaning, solve two problems with one action. Example, if I walk to the shop, I'll get exercise and buy groceries. That's killing two birds with one stone. Phrase 12. In hot water. Meaning, in trouble. Example, he forgot his mom's birthday. Now he's in hot water. Phrase 13. Spill the beans. Meaning, reveal a secret. Example, come on, spill the beans. What happened at the party? Phrase 14. Pull someone's leg. Meaning, to joke with someone. Example, are you serious? Or are you just pulling my leg? Phrase 15. Better late than never. Meaning, it's better to do something late than not at all. Example, you finally cleaned your room. Well, better late than never. Great job. Now you know 15 real English phrases that you can start using today. Tell me in the comments, which phrase did you like the most? And here's your task. Pick 2 phrases from this video and write a short sentence using each. I'll read your answers. If you learned something today, give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to Talk Fluent, and hit the bell so you never miss a new lesson. Keep practicing, keep speaking, and always remember you can do this. See you next time. Bye.